Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinken. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that S&P Dow Jones indices, a major financial data firm, will launch crypto index service next year in 2021. So they getting serious in crypto too. That's great. The second news is all about that according to Eric Voorhees, who is the CEO of Shapeshift, he's saying that every asset manager must understand Bitcoin. And why? Let's talk about it. And the third news is all about that Bitcoin whales looks like now stopped accumulating Bitcoin at the current price, and which way it will push now Bitcoin. So all this in today's video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you're really interested in blockchain, in Bitcoin, you would like to stay really up to date, then you definitely should subscribe to Blockchain Bloom and then hit the notification bell and then all, so you get these videos as soon as they're out, because I put these videos on YouTube every weekday. So from Blockchain Bloom, every weekday from Monday to Friday, you're getting the freshest cryptocurrency and the blockchain news, and this is crucial to be up to date. On the other hand, we also have a very free course for you. It's how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And you can find the link for the course under this video or on our website. This is the course, and we have also another course. It's a great one, Understanding Blockchain and Bitcoin. So if you are about to, thinking, shall I really invest in Bitcoin, but you don't know what is behind Bitcoin, how is Bitcoin functioning, how it, all these things about Bitcoin and blockchain, then you need this knowledge. Otherwise, it will be just gambling because somebody said it's a good idea. So educate yourself. This is crucial. And now let's check out the market. So quick refresh. Okay, so Bitcoin is right now at $19,073, which is a bit going down now, 1.62%, as you can see. Ethereum is just under $600, $594, which is a 2.5% decrease. Then we're looking at the top winners. We see NAM, which is 15% up in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin SV 60% up. REN going up 2%. But altogether, not too bullish today, not too bearish, a little bit sideways, it looks like right now. And check out the losers. Yeah. Header Hashgraph minus 6%, Reserve Drive minus 5%, and Digibyte minus 5%. And now let's move on to the first news. Excuse me. So S&P Dow Jones indices, it's about to launch a crypto index in 2021. And, this is very important because it looks like they're getting serious about crypto. S&P 500, we do know that, and it's a very powerful one. Everybody is using it, and now they're focusing more and more on crypto. They're saying that the coming product is poised to become a hub for cryptocurrency pricing data at the time when more Wall Street investors than ever are searching. And this is true. What I have told you several times in my videos, that the institutional investors, Wall Street, are getting very, very serious about crypto nowadays, more and more looking at Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, okay? This year's bull run is set to be driven by institutions angling for exposure to Bitcoin. So, just what I said, institutional investors appeared. Wall Street already had its share of crypto indices to choose from. So there are some, like Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index, has provided quotes on highly liquid cryptos since 2018. And Nasdaq, the tech-heavy exchange, has listed multiple crypto indices in the past few years. So there are some, but now S&P Dow Jones indices are getting serious about it. And this is, again, a push a positive push for the crypto market, for Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies. As we can see, every day I can tell you something which is bullish about crypto. And it's supporting our present price. You know, when you're looking at Bitcoin, the reason why it was just a couple of days ago reached the all-time high at several exchanges and staying around that, everything looks very bullish. It looks like that we're waiting for something, and maybe it at the end of the year or beginning of next year, it can start to go up even more heavily. So this is definitely a positive thing. The second news is about that Eric Voorhees, who is actually the CEO of Shapeshift, said that every asset manager must understand Bitcoin. And yes, I agree actually with him. Because on this chart here, you can see how Bitcoin performed compared to gold and compared to S&P 500. So he's saying that one could be forgiven for not understanding it 8 years ago. Okay, so, well, okay, in 2012, not too bullish about it, no worries. But any asset manager today who remains ignorant of the phenomenon needs to seriously check their premises. Because, you know, recently, Bitcoin, it's getting very serious. It has gained a lot since it was launched, but it's understandable that because so many people said it's a scam and all these things, yeah, okay, fair enough. Asset managers really ignored it. They didn't want to get involved with Bitcoin. But now time is changing, and those who are still not getting it are missing out. Look, you can see here that this you can see how much Bitcoin, gold, and S&P 500 has gained in the last 10 years. This ridiculously big number is Bitcoin here. This is gold, and this is S&P 500, okay? So you can see how much it went up in a year time, in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and so on and so forth. So in every single year, Bitcoin is outperforming gold and outperforming S&P 500. Which, if you are a serious asset manager, right, then you shouldn't ignore this, because your clients, you losing out money. Nobody says that you should go all into Bitcoin and let's make it extremely risky, your portfolio. No. But to consider the idea that to put some part of the portfolio, let's put just 1%, but something in Bitcoin, I think it looks like for many people it's a mistake now. Because even if it's highly risky, look at the last 10 years. We're not talking about just a single year and, oh, it went up and then that it went down, and since it's down and then you missed out. No. We can show actually that every single year it has a nice profit. And yes, gold, S&P 500 also went up. Not bad, but it is nothing compared to Bitcoin, to be honest with you. Okay, another thing, same issue. On December the 2nd, crypto trading firm Genesis CEO Michael Morrow predicted that 250 publicly traded companies will be invest in Bitcoin by the end of 2021. We can see that the number of these companies increasing very, very nicely. And his prediction is it will be 250. That's actually a big number in a year, right? On the 4th of December, former JP Morgan commodity trader Danny Masters told that CNBC that soon it will be a career risk for not having Bitcoin in your portfolio. So sooner or later, we're getting to the stage when if you don't have a portfolio where you can find Bitcoin, you put your career in risk as an asset manager. And this is a very interesting twist, because if they FOMO in, if more and more coming into the game, this will definitely push up the price. And also, if you remember, I talked about it on this week as well, that also this week, BlackRock Chief Investment Officer Larry Fink warned that Bitcoin's success could have a real impact on the US dollar and will even take a place of gold to a large extent, right? This fits with Gold Bullion International CEO co-founder Dan Tapiero recent assertion that it's only a matter of time before Bitcoin's price surges into the six-figure threshold, which is minimum 100,000. So look at these big names. They all bullish on Bitcoin. And this is a very, very strong statement that if you not having Bitcoin in your portfolio, then you're risking your career, kind of, as an asset manager. So, interesting things happening. Okay, and the third news, let's talk about a little bit about Bitcoin's present price. So, analysts say surging Bitcoin whale inflows heightened chance of Bitcoin correction. So, Bitcoin whale inflows are increasing as the price of Bitcoin struggles to break past 19,500. So right now, it looks like that to hit this 20,000 in short term, I'm talking about, it's kind of difficult. They're saying that the whales keep selling each time Bitcoin nears all-time high. So when now all-time high is coming up, almost there, the whales are in to sell because they are probably heavily in profit. Whales inflows to exchange have been increasing as the price of Bitcoin surpassed 19,500. This shows that the whales are strongly selling or shorting 19,500 and beyond. And, Ki-Young Yu, who is the CEO of CryptoQuant, said he expects Bitcoin to either move sideways or down in short term. And he also wrote that I'm long-term bullish, just what I said. So long-term is a bullish trend now. But I think it will go sideways for a few days or get corrected. I think we can break 20,000 in a short... We can't break 20,000 in a short run. I expect it will break 20K at the end of this year. So talking about in December, we're talking now about a couple of days when we probably can do it. And he's also saying, in conclusion, OG whales stopped hodling, and I'm short-term bearish. So this is the reason for it. And also, Key pointed that the Bitcoin whales stopped accumulating Bitcoin at the current price. So right now, when we looking at the analysis, then it could be that Bitcoin in short term, which means in a couple of days' time probably, it's rather going sideways or a little bit, there will be a little correction. But in long term, the whole market looks very bullish. As you can see, many bullish signs. So, yeah, I'm really curious what's going to happen on the weekend. Maybe not too much, but I'm going to talk about it on Monday, because I'm coming back on Monday with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you're interested in this topic, you want to stay up to date, then this is the place to be, okay? So from Monday to Friday, I'm putting on new videos with the freshest blockchain and cryptocurrency news on this YouTube channel. Don't miss it out. Subscribe, notification bell, and all. This is very important. And like it. This is also good. If you like the content, let's teach YouTube. I like this content. I like cryptocurrency related topics. And then it's a win-win. It's good for me. I see that you like the videos, and it's good for you because you're supporting the crypto society kind of with this. Okay, guys, I wish you a great weekend. And of course, I'm coming back on Monday with the freshest news. Have a good one. Bye-bye.